Way back down. But they never said it touched down.
That don't look too safe.
They said it never did? They probably just got real windy and held.
They usually hit, when they hit, there's nothing. It's just straight nothing. No rain, no hay.
Am I blocking you?
Blocking me from what?
Look.
Cape Route.
That don't look safe at all, Jack.
Yeah, it's not organized.
It could be.
He's looking, you see, it's looking like it's
They're
trying.
moving, but
It's trying to organize something, but that don't look good. See how fast, look right there.
You get on the phone with Mother Nature, see what
Wow, fucker. See, get on the phone with Mother Nature.
hey. No. Took the building down. We're standing underneath the roof. Lift the roof up, move the building down, and drop the roof right on top of it.
We're standing underneath the gutter, it's still up.
No, it's good too. You okay?
Yeah.
Look at it though. It look like it's trying to. That shit look creepy.
Yeah, it does.
That look like that's funny.
Like it's trying to stuck together.
Yeah.
It is.
It's trying to formate. You guys didn't take science class to get the right words?
Yeah.
Fifth grade.
No, not now.
There you go.
I definitely wouldn't be on that.
Are you? This might be as good as it gets.
Put a parachute in front of you.
Be safe.
Be safe. You went the wrong way.
City ought to be up sucking these water.
That is crazy, huh? It's like
Yeah. I've never seen that.
usually they move, they're trying to like come together.
Yeah, I ain't got nothing in my wallet, so if I go away,
Wow, stupid. He say he got nothing in his wallet. It ain't gonna do it.
It's crazy.
Usually clouds move, they're trying to come together. The clouds are like trying to like come together.